Need for PC maintenance. Computer maintenance is the art of keeping computer in a good operating condition to prevent it from any failure. Do's for PC maintenance. We shall now see what all things need to be done on a regular basis to help our PC run efficiently. Backup of files. A backup of critical files and programs need to be taken right from the start. External drives and hardware. The backup taken on external hard drives, magnetic disks, etc. need to be carefully stored in a safe place. Mouse maintenance. A mouse tends to become less responsive over time as it is most frequently used. The ball at the back of the mouse needs to be opened and cleaned. Take system restore point. A system restore point needs to be set so that recovery takes place if any error occurs during maintenance. It is available under the Systems tool option in Accessories. Remove unnecessary files and folders. Empty the recycle bin regularly and also delete the temporary internet files. Organizing data. Data should be organized centrally by creating proper folders and subfolders so that the optimum use of storage is done. Apply updates. Software updates must be done regularly to ensure that we have the latest version of all software programs. Antivirus software. Always have an antivirus software for your PC and ensure that it is regularly updated. Check firewall. Check the configuration settings of firewall and change settings if the security level needs to be increased. Hardware inspection. Regularly check your PC's hardware like cables, UPS, and also replace batteries when needed. Also clean your screen, keyboard regularly. Don'ts for PC maintenance. We shall now see what all things need to be avoided to improve our PC performance. Don't switch off your system abruptly. It causes hard drive defects. Always use the shutdown option to switch off your system completely. Don't unplug peripherals when the system is on. Unplugging external drives when the computer is switched on might affect the motherboard. Use Safely Remove option. Don't use the same password for long. Regularly change password for your system or any websites and use a strong password to maintain security. Don't clog C drive. Windows use C drive, so one should leave at least 400 MB space free for Windows in that drive. All our folders can be created in other drives. Don't eat or drink near the system. Spilling of water or any liquid on the machine might damage the system. Don't use unknown USBs. Unknown pen drives USBs might contain virus, hence it is unsafe to use them. Don't repair large errors. Don't try to fix errors beyond one's understanding as it may cause more damage. Call up technical support for assistance. Don't open computer case when power on. It is highly dangerous to open the computer casing when power is switched on as it may damage the circuit. Basic precautions one needs to take with their PC. Now we shall discuss some precautions one needs to take with their PC. Since PC runs on electricity, extra care should be taken so that the circuitry is not damaged. Circuit breaker. A circuit breaker should be installed to your house's circuit so that in case of failure, only circuit breaker trips off, preventing PC from short circuit. UPS. A backup power supply provider like UPS should be present to prevent sudden shutting down of PCs in the event of power failure. Surge protectors. There are chances of voltage going high and low, resulting in excessive voltages. Surge protectors are devices which protect the computer from spikes or voltage surges. Conclusion. In this chapter, the users have covered the aspects of do's and don'ts of PC maintenance. PC maintenance. Don'ts for PC maintenance. Basic precautions one needs to take with their PC.